Hello everyone, this is a video about the distribution system water monitoring focusing on sensor technology evaluation methodology and results by ACER. First of all, I'm going to talk about EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency. That is an organization ensuring to protect the planning and regulate the process in order to make them friendly with the environment. Safety on drinking water. This safety is based on three main points. The quality of raw water, referring to the kind of water that is get. The application of treatment, referring to the form that this is carried out. And the monitoring the water distribution, referring to the methodology used to supervise how the water is distributed. I'm going to give on every of these points. First of all, qualities of raw water. The quality of raw water is given by amount of threads which there are in the water. In other words, less threads mean more quality. The water is recollected from aquifer bodies, such as lakes, as you can see in the first image, and with the use of pipes, it is transported to the commodity of water plant, where the water receives a treatment, and after that it is distributed in the country, as you can see in the last image. But why all these processes are important? Well, it's prevent threats. Talking about water, threats are microorganisms which lives in water, and when a human drinks this water, the result is a disease. The consequence goes from a little fever to the death. As you can see in this map, the blue areas are less dangerous in contrast with the red areas. The center of Mexico are one of the most hazardous areas in the world, as you can see. But they are also treatments. Treatments referring not only in the tools used in the water treatments. They include the strategies. The strategies and tools are made to identify and prioritize threats to drinking water and wastewater infrastructure, to evaluate vulnerabilities, to create standards frameworks for risk management, and a plan for countermeasures to reduce the risk of international contamination. Obviously, all of them environmental friendly. The strategies. The strategies involve a series of aspects to consider. They go from the physical objects to the methodology employed to regulate the quality of the water. This arises from an idea which, with a correct development, is becoming in a feasible plan and then is put in action. The main strategy of EPA is water, and this is a program to investigate biosensor threats in water and how to know the anomalous changes in baffling water. EPA has been working in this strategy 5 years ago. And trainings. Trainings seen from the point of view when a process in water can be reduced in two main processes: reverse osmosis system and distillation. The board considering three main points: sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. Sedimentation is let settle the dirt. Filtration is do that the water pass through a membrane and remove the little dirt, and disinfection is add chemicals to reduce the hazard of a threat. It's time to move on tools. They are the technology to use. In addition to contamination, incident attacks on water systems involving explosives are possible. The blast vulnerability assessment tool, the supercomputer tool development by EPA, can be used with minimal training. A variety of options allow for different scenarios, proven estimates of damages that could occur from attacks using explosives. This tool is available from the Water Information Sharing Analysis Center, a secure website with a controlled subscription list. The consequence estimation tool, a component of strict ensemble vulnerability assessment sensor placement optimization, that is EVA Spot. It allows water utilities to estimate health consequences, risks, and vulnerabilities from contamination. There is also Canary. Canary is an algorithm to evaluate the water quality sensor responses and identify in water quality that could indicate contamination event. There are also DMR. This means the Discharge Monitoring Report. Pollutant Loading Tool is a new tool designed to help you determine who is discharging what pollutants they are discharging and how much and where are they discharging. The cybersecurity water system. It is composed by Blast Vulnerability Assessment, Canary, EVA Spot, and DMR. All of these are related of cybersecurity water system, but all of these are not possible without sensors. A sensor defined by EPA is an electromechanical device designed with electrical mechanical system that measures physical and chemical characteristics which produce a reaction in a sensor that is converted into a signal by an instrument. But how do sensors function? Well, they function with algorithms. They are programmed and put into microchips inserted in the sensor. The algorithms are designed, after that analyzed, after implement, and after experiment. This is a cycle, and all the sensors work with algorithms. As I mentioned before, all the sensors are utilized to monitor the water in real time and are part of the contamination warning system. This is a program where EPA collaborated with entities to develop software programs like EVA Spot, DMR, and evaluated in the real-time the detection of a hazard. National Water Quality Standard. The quality of water is not an arbitrary metric. There are national water quality standards, which is registered in text, maps, and tables, and IFA provides a public access to these ones. Our last topic is how is distributed the drinking water. When all the process of distribution is concluded, the potable water is traveled through pipes that form the drinking water distribution network to all homes, but to arrive to an important public building and undergo more detection. In other cases, when the water is supplied by pipe cars, it goes from the plant to the remote area. The result of this is that you can have potable water in your home, come from your pipes without hazard, and you can drink it. In conclusion, we can say that the water is taken from a source. After that, it is carried out to a treatment plant, and in this plant is disinfected to after distributed in our house, that is distributed in hazard in zones, and the result is that we can drink water from the pipes. These are the references that I use from the video. You can know more. Thank you for attention, and if you have questions, only have to send them in the comments.